Today we have Cinco and we turn it on. And it's not making pressure at all. And you can hear it's leaking here. You heard it? I take a bleeding valve and just drill it out to see what inside. It's a pretty simple construction, just a rubber pin and a spring which push it in. It seems like spring was a little bent, that's why the valve wasn't working. The valve was always open. Next step, I tap the drill out. Assemble it all together like you can see in a picture, and voila, it's working. As you can see, I put my fixed valve in a place and we turn it on. Start making pressure right away. No any sound here, no any noise, no any losing air. And then you turn it off. You hear that psst. This means the valve lose the pressure from that tubing and make this line of the pressure, which means it's working.